right, YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having an awesome day. I know you guys are. We're gonna be working on my 2017 Lotus Evora 400. This part you can do with all the Evoras. So first things first, we're gonna be doing a little bit before and a little after. So we're gonna be doing that to show you guys real quick. So let's grab the car, unlock it. And then once it's unlocked, we'll double tap the hatch. We'll open up the hatch. There we go. My new struts that I put in, that thing works like a charm. And then I'm gonna come over here and turn the lights on so that we can get a nice before and after. So we have some lights on. Yes, we do. We're gonna actually leave those on. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Ferrari-ish, Alfa Romeo-ish, the 4C kind of thing is what I'm thinking of. Lotus Evora-ish, Ferrari F430-ish. Those are what I think these taillights look like. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come over here and I'm gonna show you guys how to install the new GRPs. Let's go get the GRP. Okay, straight fresh from Greg's Racing Parts, we have version 4. These are gonna be the beautiful, super bright, non-reflective, meaning the middle doesn't have anything that's reflective, kind of like dark and evil. I kind of like that. It's the same thing that's on my EXIGE. Well, I'll hop over there real quick, show you. And then it has yellow reverse. Those are the setups I went with. He does have quite a few options. I think that's the most aesthetic option. That's my opinion. That's what I went with. He was able to get these out here probably with like in 3 or 4 days. Nah, maybe like 5 days of the order. Amazing. Fast shipping, great communication. If you want to modify any kind of Lotus, you need to go to GRP, Greg's Racing Parts. I do want to go show you my EXIGE real quick. So here's the EXIGE, definitely more aggressive, more modern, more aesthetic, cool. I love this little convertible. Let's see if I can turn the lights on for you. Yeah, so we got the lights on. There we go. Those are cool. Really, really bright. Even in daytime, they're bright. They're amazing. Really cool. Lots of attention. Definitely what these cars are made for. Okay, we're gonna come up underneath here. And can you guys see? Let's see. Okay, here we are. So there's going to be, this right here is gonna be an 8mm lefty-loosey, and then there's gonna be one up above it. Those are gonna be the two only things. So an upper and upper holding in the taillight, upper and an upper. Okay, that's what it looks like. This is kind of cool. I didn't know that this is just like a ring here. I wasn't sure about that. My other car doesn't have that. Very aesthetic. There's the clip. You're just gonna pull that out and we're gonna be able to wire that back in. Also, it's weird. These have like a slot for a reverse taillight, but they're not. They put them down below. I wish like they did a better job with the Evora GT. That is a more aesthetic bumper with the big opening there and then the reverse there. But I think that they should have never had a reverse light separate from the tail lights. The tail lights should have always had that. So anyways, that being said, let's unclip this one and clip in the GRP. Bam, look at that after. That is awesome. So they're not on. I'll turn that one on to make sure it all works, but that looks so much more aggressive and modern. Definitely gonna need the black badges. It's, I think, important now since the tail lights are bringing more black to the back end. Currently, if you look aesthetically, the silver middle of that with the Lotus badge actually flows. Now, when you don't go straight to black, you need to match the rest. So let's bring the tailgate down. Make sure I got the key. And then we'll turn the light on real quick here and make sure they work. So we're gonna come up over here, open the door, and then just do one click on, close the door. And yeah, wow. So they even might look better on than they do off. Well, I don't know. It's both really good. I have the same feeling with my, with the EXIGE. Wow. Really cool. Really cool. Definitely 458 is what I'm thinking. 458. That is what that looks like to me. The Ferrari 458. On camera, it does look yellowish, I guess maybe. It is not. It is bright or orange. It's bright red. It's in real life. It's just absolutely red, red, red. It matches the car very well. Yeah, that looks cool. Definitely gonna need some more black accents like ASAP. I do like the little black mid spoiler on there. That helps too, and the black of the engine. But we're gonna need to bring some more black accents in to complete the Mitch look. Wow, that is awesome. Okay, I will say that it's gonna be about 5 minutes, maybe a little bit more per side. Let me reopen the hatchback real quick up for, to show you guys and explain. The, there we go. The two 10 or 8 millimeters, I don't know if I said that earlier, sorry. If you just use a socket wrench, it does take a little bit extra turning. They're pretty long, the stems are. Also, Greg does provide shiny new nuts right here. And so I did use these instead of using the original supplied right here. So I would recommend following that instruction. But that being said, the studs are just kind of long. And so what I've been using is my little, I'm charging it right now, but just I have a little electric 3/8, which is really cool. These are cool. I've never had one of these. I was really excited when I bought one. And it really does help. It goes a little bit quicker. Bam, there is the final product. Amazing. They look so mean and aggressive. Great quality. Look how bright that is. That is so good. They're gonna look even better at night. I know for a fact they'll look good at night. I really do like the dark mirror finish. That makes it so exotic. You can see the reflection, no reflection there, and then reflection there. They are non-reflective. It's just because the sun is out in the back of the backyard, I guess. That looks so good. Oh man, I love it. Let's go on inside. We'll turn on the emergency fat flashers to see what they look like. For turn signals. On this car, it's right here in the middle. We'll hit that. Come on in the back. And there we go. So these should be matching, all the same as the Lotus EXIGE. So now I have twin cars with twin tail lights. That looks so great. Awesome, super easy how-to, huge transformation, pretty affordable. They're about $200 a corner or side. So $400, I believe, for both of them. Amazing. Now I do know some people will like the OEM look, and I'm totally for that too. I get it. It's either or, preference, right? It's preference, but I think it just makes the car look a little bit more modern, a little bit more me, a little bit more aggressive. I really like them. I remember saying this, but I really like them with just completely off. Just the actual look now, in my opinion. The actual product looks really good. I think that just looks really good. That looks good to me. This black here with these two together, really bringing the car. All that's bringing the car together. I do have tint from the previous owner, and now the black wheels. We're starting to get this black and red theme going, and I'm really liking it. So awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure to like and subscribe. Swing by Greg's Racing Parts. He has a lot of parts on there, and they're for your race car. Make sure to like, subscribe. Swing by my website, mitch.com, and I'll see you guys on the next video.